Unboxing time again. Guess what's inside? Woo!
My favorite Penang white curry noodles. Instant noodles are a staple in kitchens worldwide, but for many Malaysians, our love for instant noodles often goes much further as we treat instant noodles as comfort food. Our love for instant noodles has even been statistically proven as we rank 13th among countries across the globe with the highest demand for instant noodles.
However, it seems that the appreciation for our local instant noodles even extends to the other corners of the globe.
Recently, NY Mag has ranked MyKuali brand's Penang white curry instant noodles the #1 in the soupy instant noodles category, as judged by chefs and food writers. The article by NY Mag's product-specific online publication, The Strategist, sought to rank instant noodles from all over the world and judge them in the categories of Best Soupy Instant Noodles, Best Saucy Dry Instant Noodles, and Best Spicy Noodles. MyKuali's white curry instant noodles claimed the top spot via the opinion of Lucas Kwan Peterson, who is a food columnist for the Los Angeles Times.
Amazing!
Back in 2019, he had put together an exhaustive list of the most popular instant noodles and ranked them according to their taste and how much the instant noodles recalled their non-instant iterations.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos to You channel.
Kudos to You is a discovery channel featuring good food and traveling trips. If you're interested in food, no matter from a cafe, restaurant, or local stall, or even convenient food like instant noodles and ramen, you may just subscribe this channel to get food updates weekly.
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe, click the bell, click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday.
I love the creamy aromatic curry soup and chewy noodle texture. The richness of the soup overtakes all.
Time for food review. For Kudos Score, out of 10 points, 9.5 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos Score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.
Subscribe to receive new foodie updates next week.